Bog, bog, bog. Mother stopped washing the plates. She ran to see what the noise was about. She saw Lisa at the foot of the stairs. Her school things were thrown all around. Lisa was crying. She was holding her head. Her face was red. Mother ran to help Lisa. She said, "Don't go to school this morning. You may go this afternoon." Now, answer these questions by writing the correct letter on your notebook. Ready? Question number 1. Which is true about Lisa? Letter A, she was sleeping. Letter B, she was about to go to school. Letter C, she just came from school. Write your answer now. Number 2. What time of the day was it? Letter A, morning. Letter B, night. Letter C, afternoon. Write your answer now. Number 3. Why was Lisa crying? Letter A, she was hungry. Letter B, she was sick. Letter C, she fell down the stairs. Write your answer now. Now, let's check your work. Number 1. Which is true about Lisa? The answer is letter B. She was about to go to school. Number 2. What time of the day was it? The answer is letter A. It was morning. Number 3. Why was Lisa crying? The answer is letter C. Lisa was crying because she fell down the stairs. Did you get the correct answers?
Excellent!
It was already late in the afternoon when Mang Dario came home. He is wet. He is holding a fishing net. Mang Dario had a basket full of fish. He showed it to Aling Marta. Aling Marta counted the fish. How happy she was as she went to the market. Now I can sell this fish so I can buy milk and egg, Aling Marta said to herself. Now answer these questions. Number 1. What is Mang Dario? A. Teacher. B. Fisherman. C. Farmer. Write your answer now. Number 2. What is Aling Marta? Letter A. Fish vendor. B. Teacher. C. Gardener. Write your answer now. Number 3. What is the story about? Letter A. Market. Letter B. Fishing net. Letter C. A basket full of fish. Write your answer now. Are you done? Let's check your work. Number 1. What is Mang Dario? The answer is letter B. Mang Dario is a fisherman. Next, what is Aling Marta? The answer is letter A. Aling Marta is a fish vendor. Number 3. What is the story about? The answer is letter C. The story is about a basket full of fish. Are you correct?
Be kind to one another. Ephesians 4 verse 2.